Are you trying to start a whole food plant-based diet and just feel lost and don't know where to begin? Have you been trying to eat more plant-based foods but feel like you need a clear, easy to follow, step-by-step guidance on how to fully commit to a plant-based lifestyle? Are you frustrated with trying to figure out which nutritional experts you can trust and just want the simple truth about plant-based nutrition? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then we have the course for you. Hi, I'm Jill from the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show. I'm excited to share with you today our brand new online course, 28 Days Plant-Based Made Easy, where you can learn to successfully transition to a whole food plant-based diet. We have taken everything that we've learned over the past 5 years and organized it into an easy-to-follow 28-day course. After some initial preparations, this course will walk you through each of the 28 days and teach you how to make 65 of our delicious plant-based recipes. Each recipe has become a family favorite for tens of thousands of viewers all over the world and is presented with an in-depth video demonstration and printable recipe page, all coordinated through weekly meal plans and shopping guides. With tasty recipes like our world-famous hummus, carrot hot dogs, mint chocolate fudge, gluten-free waffles, mushroom bourguignon, and the decadent chocolate turtle cake, your taste buds will be singing. We have covered every facet of daily plant-based living with materials to bring with you when you talk to your doctor about changing your diet, cleaning out your pantry and setting up the proper tools for your kitchen, 4 weeks of detailed meal planning and weekly shopping guides including 65 of our best original plant-based recipes, and daily learning materials where we introduce you to the trusted plant-based doctors, nutritional researchers, and documentaries whose teachings have inspired our recipes. Our goal is to provide you with a complete plant-based education that's practical and easy to follow. This can empower you to make health-promoting food choices for the rest of your life. This course is designed to be self-paced, with lifetime access to the materials so that if you need more than 28 days, you can go at the speed that you prefer. And if you need a hand along the way, we will be there to answer your questions and to help keep you on track. I know from personal experience, making this kind of change can feel overwhelming, leaving you wondering where to start. Our family faced this same challenge 5 years ago when we made the switch to a plant-based diet while facing our own chronic health issues. I was 25 pounds overweight, having heart palpitations and regular migraines, and generally feeling much older than my age. My husband Jeffrey was 70 pounds overweight, pre-diabetic with a stage 1 obese BMI, struggling with chronic pain and waking up feeling stressed out and physically exhausted every morning. After just a few weeks of consistently eating an exclusively whole food plant-based diet, we began to feel dramatic improvements in our health. Over the next 3 months, the changes were so profound that we were inspired to start the Whole Food Plant-Based Cooking Show so that we could share this life-changing information with the world. In that first 3 months, I lost that 25 pounds, resolved my heart palpitations and migraines, and started running cross-country again like I did in high school. In that same first 3 months, my husband was able to lose that 70 pounds of his, he resolved his blood sugar issues, and he also started running with me. Our 2 teenage daughters, although reluctant at first, saw the transformation in our health and happily decided to go plant-based. Now, they each come up with tasty recipes on their own and occasionally host an episode of the show. We are so excited to share this course with you and wholeheartedly invite you to take this life-changing step. So sign up for our course now and begin your transition to a plant-based lifestyle today.